Welcome back to Suzie Anderson Home. Today we're sharing our ideas for embracing the wonder of wallpaper in your home. Wallpaper was originally designed to enhance the architectural character of a room by simulating hand-painted murals or elaborate millwork details such as boiserie. A brief history of wallpaper. The earliest wallpapers were reported to have been made in China around 200 BC. It was during this time that hand-painted Chinese rice papers depicting birds, flowers, chinoiserie scenes and landscapes were first exported to Europe during the Renaissance. Over subsequent centuries, Europeans expanded the genre to include panelling, leather and wall tapestries. This was soon followed by elegant brocades, velvets and damask wall treatments. During the 18th century, wallpaper became increasingly popular as a decorative element in European homes, and artists and designers like Jean-Michel Papillon contributed to the evolving styles and patterns. Wallpaper's functionality. The primary role of wallpaper is to bring colour, pattern, texture, scale, story and architectural interest to the home and reinforce your design style. Wallpaper styling ideas. Wallpaper is commonly applied to all four walls of a room, as well as the fifth wall, or the ceiling. Other creative applications include a single accent or focal wall, a small niche or alcove, above wainscoting, as a backing for a bookcase or built-in shelving, as a faux headboard, and more. Wallpaper types. Wallpaper ranges from the finest, most delicate papers to the most durable vinyls. Popular choices also encompass natural fibres such as linen and grasscloth, as well as eco-friendly, digitally printed synthetics. Paper. Wallpaper, in its basic definition, is a paper product that comes in rolls and is adhered to surfaces with paste. In residential spaces, washable wallpaper, known as PCV, is the most commonly used covering. Vinyl and vinyl coated. Ideal for areas requiring heavy-duty protection, vinyls are washable, durable and highly textured. Quality vinyls can also be designed to simulate paper, silk, linen, wood and grasscloth. Scenic. Some of the earliest wallpapers were scenic designs, showcasing hand-painted murals that would enfold an entire room. Also known as landscape or mural wallpaper, this style often features detailed panoramic scenes or images. Grasscloth and paper-backed textiles. Encompassing a variety of materials such as hemp, grasscloth, seagrass and linen, these paper-backed textiles are often quite pliable and easy to install. Grasscloth and paper-backed varieties are ideal for adding a natural, earthy touch to the home. Specialty and exotic wall coverings. Nowadays, almost any material that comes in sheet form can be backed with a paper or fabric lining. This also includes faux boiserie, raffia, foil wallpaper, raised anaglypta wallpaper and more. Upholstered walls. Upholstered walls offer an enveloping feel and intimacy, ideal for bedrooms and libraries. Peel and stick wallpaper. Peel and stick wallpaper, also known as self-adhesive wallpaper or removable wallpaper, features a pre-applied adhesive on the back that allows you to easily peel off the backing and stick it directly onto a clean, smooth surface. As a result, it is often a good option for rental homes. Design considerations. Bold or subtle designs. A subtle pattern or neutral colour scheme is ideal for covering large areas or entire walls, adding texture and visual interest without overwhelming the space. However, if you love bold colours and patterns, we recommend starting with smaller spaces such as niches, powder rooms, laundry rooms, guest bedrooms, and other small nooks to introduce these bolder colours, motifs and designs. An exception to this is the maximalist design style that embraces a mix of patterns. you'll often see a mix of florals, stripes, geometrics, and other intricate designs coexisting in the same space. The hue. The next consideration is the hue. Lighter colours help to reflect natural and artificial light and impart a bright and airy look, whereas dark colours will absorb light and make a space appear smaller and cosier. Pattern size. Next, consider the size, scale and boldness of the pattern, the strength of contrast between the motif and the background, and the use of horizontal and vertical lines. Patterns are often thought to influence the perception of space, with smaller patterns potentially creating a cosier feel and larger patterns contributing to a more expansive ambience. However, this is a generalisation. The way a room is perceived is influenced by various factors, including colour, lighting, furniture arrangement, the placement of window treatments, mirrors, and more. There are no definitive rules, and your personal preferences and design style should be the guiding principles for your choices. Design styles. Lastly, look to your design style or personal style as a guide for choosing the right wallpaper for your home. Ask yourself, what does this room need in terms of atmosphere? Cheerfulness, coziness, glamour, or calm? Here is a general guide. For traditional or formal interiors, consider damask, floral prints, Renaissance portraiture, landscape murals or grasscloth. For classic French interiors, consider classic toile de joie designs and de Gournay hand-painted wallpapers. For luxe interiors, consider high gloss, upholstered, monochromatic or metallic wallpapers with a gentle reflect. For rustic or country styles, ideas include grasscloth or Ralph Lauren-inspired wallpaper designs such as plaid, tartan, damask, animal motifs or stripes. Contemporary styles look for geometric and abstract designs. For island style or British colonial style interiors, you will often find nature-inspired prints such as palms, botanicals, animal motifs, grasscloth and woven sisal, along with other tropical prints. Lastly, for coastal styles, consider nautical stripes, blue and white patterns, muted shades of blue and green and oceanic prints. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like the video and subscribe. And don't forget to get your free copy of our ebook, The 5 L's of Styling, via the link in the video description box below. And remember, when designing a home you love, the beauty is in the detail.